This video will show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi if it's not showing up on a Windows 11 laptop. I'll show you a few fixes, one of them should work for you. So the first thing you need to do is go to your start menu at the bottom and then go ahead and click on settings. Once you're in settings, head over to network and internet and just make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on if it is turned off. Now if you can't turn it on or you don't see this here, what I would also do is make sure you're not in flight mode. So if flight mode is enabled, go ahead and disable this straight away. If that still isn't working, hold down Start and R on the keyboard and then type in services.msc and then click on enter. Now you need to look for the WLAN service. So these are all in alphabetical order. So scroll down near to the bottom and you should see here WLAN auto config. You just need to make sure that this is running. If it isn't running, you can go ahead and click start, or you can go ahead and restart this. This will restart your wireless local area network, also known as Wi-Fi. So this could fix your issue as well. Next, go to your start menu, then go to settings, and then again go to network and internet. But this time go to advanced network settings. And then here you'll see network reset. Go ahead and click on that and click reset now. You can then click yes, your PC will then be restarted. One final thing, hold down start again and R, and then type in msconfig, then go to services, go ahead and just disable all of them, then enable all of them. Then click apply and OK, and you will essentially restart your services. One of those methods should work. Let me know which one in the comments below.